Hello, this is April. I am doing a very quick introduction to the Pearltrees website. So for any of you that do not have a Pearltrees account, you just want to go to Pearltrees.com. And you'll come here to this home page that they have. You're going to want to join. Click the join button. Then it'll prompt you to add your email, create a password. Then it will take you to the next page where you'll create your username. It'll ask you just a couple of very quick questions, very self-explanatory, but I have already created my page. So we're just going to go there real quick so that you can see what Pearltrees actually looks like once you've created your account. So here is my Pearltrees account that I just created a couple of days ago. Very similar, in my opinion, to it's kind of a combination of Evernote and Pinterest. So if you're familiar with those two sites, you'll find this very easy to use. So you'll see your username right here, and this screen will actually be blank when you come to it. So all of these are trees, or I call them boards, but they call them trees, that I have created since joining Pearltrees. It's very easy to add to your Pearltrees account. You just click the add button right here. You can edit anything that's on here, share anything, or find some related collections. So if you want to find collections that are related to the ones that you have, you just click this button here and it will actually show you things that are similar to what you already have. So I don't want to do that right now, so I'm just going to click the back arrow right here. You can collaborate, so you can actually use this if you wanted to add another a teacher or something to work on something together. You can share a link to this to your Pearltrees account as a whole, or you can share just a link to a particular tree. So if I only wanted to share this tree, I would just click the share button here. You can edit each one of your trees, change the titles. When you click edit, it's going to give you some options. Now there is a premium and upgrade, and you can change text and image, things like that. Of course, I've just signed up for the free one, so I can't do that. But I can change the title if I wanted to make it whatever I wanted. So the web interface is very easy to use. It's also got a great, the app is also really easy to use. These are some screenshots that I took from my phone. You can import from Facebook, Twitter, your Dropbox, or your Google Drive. You can, this is very similar to the web interface where you can create a collection, import information, import from your device, clip a website or add a website, upload a file, or write yourself some notes. Great for a journal if you wanted to do that. This is just, so I created an assignment within my Pearltrees, and this is what the assignment tree looks like on my phone, which of course there's the little more button, but I've got all of my directions here for an assignment, and some links to some websites that I would allow my students to use to complete this this particular assignment. And then this, of course, is just a screenshot of what my Pearltrees account looks like on my phone. So this is what it looks like on the phone, on the app, and then this is what it looks like on the computer. So it's very similar. So, you know, I know some websites, when you go to look at it on the app, you're like, where am I at? Where do I find things? Everything's pretty much in the same place. Very easy to use. Again, just like with Pinterest, like with Pinterest, you're going to create a board, and then within that board, you're going to put information that you find or things that you like. this was my hour of code project that I just turned in. So I went ahead and put all of my my web clippings here. As I was working through my hour of code, I put all of those page clippings here. So when I went to upload them to my document and turn them in as an assignment, it was really easy to find them and just pull them from here, drag and drop them out of here into my assignment so that we could turn in. So anyways, that's just a real quick overview, an intro to Pearltrees. I do recommend it. I think it's pretty neat. At first, I kind of thought, why bother? I've already got an Evernote account. I've already got, Google Drive. But I do think this is pretty neat to be able to this would be easy to put up on your smart board if you wanted to, if you wanted to organize this just for a classroom and put up pages that you're only going to, collections that you're only going to use specifically in your classroom, and you didn't want, say, your students to see, all your bookmarks, because I know I don't like my students seeing like all my bookmarks and everything. But this would be a really great way to just bookmark particular pages or assignments. So anyways, yeah, real easy to use. Definitely recommend it. And good luck with it. Pearltrees.com.